Hello students, welcome to Easy Study. Today we will see types of chemical reactions. In this there are four types of reactions. Chemical reactions are classified into four types, and on what basis? According to nature and the number of reactants and the products. Means these four types are depend upon reactants as well as products. So based on this, first one is combination reaction. So what is mean by combination reaction? As its name indicate, combination means to combine, form because of two things. So let's take an example. Suppose there is one magnesium ribbon. If we took a magnesium ribbon and if we burn this magnesium ribbon under the burner, if you take burner and burn this magnesium ribbon, then we got powder form behind it. Means magnesium ribbon has color of like silver type color, means very lustrous. It is a shining strip, and when we burn it, the white colored precipitate, white colored powder is formed below or near the burner. In this method, magnesium ribbon is made up of magnesium. Okay, and when we burn it, and we know that in the process of burning, the gas helps burning is oxygen. Always keep in mind that whenever we burn anything, any material, oxygen is combining with it because oxygen supports burning. So when magnesium ribbon combines with oxygen, means burn or stick with oxygen, then white colored precipitate, that is magnesium oxide, is formed. Okay, so this is magnesium oxide and it has white color. Okay, now we have to balance the chemical equation. Here two oxygen molecules, but here only one. Here one magnesium and here one, so we have to make it twice, and now it is 2. So now chemical equation is balanced here. Okay, so what is happening? Magnesium ribbon combines with oxygen, and after burning it gives white colored powder, that is magnesium oxide. So this is the example of combination reaction. Why this is the example of combination reaction? Because as its name indicate, combination means to combine, to join, and here reactants are two. There are two reactants and they are combining to form one product. These two reactants gives us one product. When reactant combines in the reaction to form a single product, that is combination reaction. Okay, when two or more reactants combine to form a single product, that is combination reaction. This is the definition of combination reaction. Again, another examples are given in the textbook. I have given you the second activity. Hold magnesium ribbon in the tongs. Tongs means that pair of tongs, and you have to hold magnesium ribbon and ignite. Ignite means to burn. On burning in air, a white powder of magnesium oxide is formed. So white color magnesium oxide is forming here. So this is example of combination reaction. Another example is on heating, HCl vapors started coming out from the test tube. You have to take hydrochloric acid and you have to heat it, then HCl gases will evaporate and NH3 gas come out in the solution from the glass rod. You have to take ammonia solution on the glass rod and heat the test tube. So when ammonia in the gaseous form and hydrochloric acid in the gaseous form, when they combine, they give ammonium chloride solution that is in the solid form. So read it and then you will understand. Third one is, you have to take water in a beaker, means half, that must be half fill. You have to add few pieces of slaked lime, that is calcium oxide, CaO. Then calcium hydroxide is formed. When you add calcium oxide, that is slaked lime, in water, then calcium hydroxide is formed and tremendous amount of heat, large amount of heat is given out. In this all three reactions, there are two reactants and they combine with each other to give one single product. Here are two products. Are these two products? No, heat is not a product. This is the amount of heat that is evaporating, that is exerting. So only one product is formed. So this is combination reaction. And what is the definition? When two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product is called combination reaction. Two reactants, one product, that is combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. So what is decomposition reaction? Decomposition. Suppose we take sugar and we heat this sugar. Suppose we take few crystals of sugar and if we heat, then we see that black colored material remain behind in the bowl and vapors come out of it. Means vapors come out of sugar and black colored substance is forming on it. So what is the chemical formula for sugar? That is C12H22O11. This is the chemical formula for sugar. And when you give heat, triangle for heat, and it is written on the upward direction of the arrow. And what is the black colored material? That is carbon. And you got water, means vapors are what? Of that water. Now balance it, C12, that is 12C, then H2O, O 11 times, means this reaction is, chemical equation is balanced now. So this is decomposition reaction. This example is of decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? As its name indicate, to decompose means to split out, to get separated from one another. Means what is happening here? There is a single reactant and after some process, here the process is to give heat, they are decomposed, they are get split out in two parts, that is two products. What is mean? When two or more products form from a single reactant, this is called as decomposition reaction. When reactants is single and products are two or more, then it is called as decomposition reaction. Means it is totally opposite of combination reaction. Combination reaction means when two or more reactants give single product, combination reaction. When single reactant gives two or more product, that is decomposition reaction. Okay, got it? That is the example of combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Okay, so what we have learned? We are seeing types of reaction. टाइप्स ऑफ रिॲक्शन हे आपण बघितलेलं आहे. टाईप्स ऑफ रिॲक्शनमध्ये एक एक्झाम्पल आपण बघितलं, मॅग्नेशियम रिबन. याला आपण बर्न केलं तर आपल्याला मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड कलरचा व्हाईट पावडर भेटते. व्हाईट पावडर भेटला म्हणजे हा मॅग्नेशियम ऑक्साईड झाला. मॅग्नेशियम रिबन हा बर्न होत आहे म्हणजे ऑक्सिजनसोबत कंबाईन झाला. कंबाईन होत असताना इथे रिॲक्टंट फॉर्म झाले 2 आणि प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म झाला 1. तर जेव्हा 2 रिॲक्टंट हे एका प्रोडक्टला फॉर्म करतात तेव्हा त्याला कॉम्बिनेशन रिॲक्शन म्हणतो. नंतर सेकंड बघितलं आपण डिकम्पोजिशन रिॲक्शन. डिकम्पोजिशन रिॲक्शनमध्ये आपण बघितलं शुगर याला जेव्हा हीट केलं तेव्हा ब्लॅक कलरचा कार्बन खाली उरतो आणि वॉटर वेपर हे वर चालले जाते. म्हणजे C12H22O11 हा एक सिंगल रिॲक्टंट आहे आणि याने काय दिला, 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त प्रोडक्ट. इथे 2 प्रोडक्ट देण्यात आलेले आहे, तेव्हा याला म्हणतात डिकम्पोजिशन रिॲक्शन. ओके. आणि टाईप्स ऑफ रिॲक्शन 4 आहे. सध्या आपण 2 पाहू. पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण याचे पुढचे रिॲक्शन्स बघू. ओके. सो जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आणि याच्या पहिलेचे लेसन्सचे, या लेसनमध्ये जे पहिले पार्ट आहे त्याचे 2 व्हिडिओ मी ऑलरेडी बनवलेले आहेत. ते डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये मी त्याची लिंक सेंड करून देईल. ओके. बाय.